Hello and welcome to a new sort of different kind of vlog style video. So today we're gonna go check out this car, a little bit of backstory on this car. Last night Dad came home and he said that one of his buddies visited him at the shop and said, hey, I have this CLS55 that I just picked up from the auction. The rear suspension is shot and there's a couple of other stuff that's wrong with it, but if you want to buy it off me, you can, because I'm probably going to put it back to the auction. I don't want to deal with it anymore. So Dad was like, you know what, I'm going to go talk to the kids and the family tonight, and then I'll let you know. So now we're on our way to go check out this CLS55, which is crazy to think, because wasn't expecting a CLS55 today at all, but now we're going to go maybe inspect it, maybe buy it. I'm not so sure, but we're on the way right now. And if you're wondering why I have a pink steering wheel and a pink shift knob and my seatbelt's pink, don't ask. Just got to the neighborhood and we're about to pull in to go see the CLS. So, ooh, I see it. Ooh, the front bumper's a little damaged.
You know it's not the agent. Right there was coming apart. So what I did, I left it and I put glue on it. There's a second glue I bought it from online. Yeah. And there's this thing like this. That's there? Yeah. This is expensive. The window's not there? I think it's not there.
The struts work okay, or?
It's kind of a little bit. Just push this one from that side. 500, and I had so much rough time to bring it here, and I fixed everything. You know the key problem? I fixed the key. I opened the hood. I went through hell to open the hood to get there. So finally, I got the thing from there. So finally, I opened the hood. But
All right, guys. Looks like we're gonna be taking this thing home with us. Need some help, so I took it for a drive, and it has absolutely no power. There are a couple things wrong with it, but see the mileage? That's showing me a lot right there. It shouldn't be getting that low of miles, especially 3.9. So something is wrong with the belt. I don't think the supercharger is engaging whatsoever. And radio, everything else works well. Heated and cooled seats. This works. Does this work? Yep, that works. ESP off. Air conditioning runs cool. Doesn't have parking sensors. Doesn't have Distronic, but it does have the dynamic seats, which is nice. And honestly, I think it's a good car. Has a lot of great potential, and it will be a fun project car. So off to the shop we go. All right, everyone. So here is the new purchase, the 2006 CLS55. This one would be the cheapest one currently for sale. I don't know historically speaking, but definitely in California for $3,500. This clean title, which I know is hard to believe because given the shape that it's in, but $3,500 is what we picked this thing up for. And honestly, it runs. It doesn't go into boost. There is some damage here and there. I'm putting that very loosely, but the car drives. Like, it'll take you from point A to B. Now, that being said, it's not the ideal car to take, but with a little bit of love and care and massage, this thing can really shape enough to be something a little amazing. Now, things that are wrong with it that we've noticed right off the bat. This rear shock over here has been shot. This rear bumper has been hit, including the exhaust pipe right there. That's not supposed to be that wide apart. Looks like they have a gap in their teeth. Another thing that I have noticed is this caliper is the only caliper painted outside of the normal factory silver. This window, I guess when the battery was off, someone like closed it and you could hear all the glass inside. Not fun to deal with. I need some valve stems. The front bumper needs to get replaced. So let me know what you guys are thinking I should do. Should I get a new bumper, CLS55 bumper, or should I do something a little bit crazy like I don't know, a prior design bumper body kit or something like that? Regardless, the grill, we need a new grill. Headlights, I'm gonna give them the Mr. Ultra Box treatment. I'm gonna be painting the inside and maybe installing projectors where those high beams are. I don't know, I gotta look at the real estate in there. And other than that, I mean, the car's pretty much healthy. This side's totally fine. Aside from the shocks being gone, we're gonna place an order on those as soon as possible. And so, aside from that, this has been curbed, or something over here has been curbed. I have no idea. This car, someone drove this thing to the ground. So this is interesting. This is locked. It's like it won't go down, but it'll go up. Like, I don't want to push it in and break it, so I'm just gonna leave that as is. Another thing, okay? The key, okay? This key, this hard key will not go in there because it's not for this car. So this push to start won't work. We're gonna have to use the key to turn it on. Starts up really nicely. Car does not go into boost at all. There's no boost getting into this car. That's something we definitely got to look into. It needs new brakes. Apparently this run flat sensor or indicator needs to get fixed. This thing was having battery issues too, like the convenience functions were off for a minute, so we had to fix that. But that's easy to fix. All you do is just keep that thing on for a minute. Now, one thing that's interesting is the seat's been torn, and the driver's seat also needs a little bit of help, massage, and care. Back seat's pretty much mint, so that's one good thing it's going for. But this car is so dusty and grimy, it's like unbelievable. I should be wearing a hazmat suit, but I'm fine, really. Now, one thing that I did notice too was when you turn on the fan for the seat, it makes a weird noise when you lean up against it. I don't know if you guys can pick that up. Yeah, that's not fun dealing with that. Other than that, everything else works. This works. This works. Everything else works. But one thing that really doesn't work is that this car does not go into boost. And that's pedal to the metal. That was pedal to the metal. There's no boost whatsoever. But we're gonna put it on the rack, see what's really wrong with it, and see what the previous owner has actually done to this car. Because if it hasn't done its service G in 8,000 miles, then God knows what else could be wrong with it. That's it for this video. I hope you guys enjoyed it. In the next video, we're going to go ahead and put this car up on the lift and see exactly what's really wrong with it. If you guys are excited, please leave a like and let me know in the comments below. Subscribe for more because we have so much to come for this build. Till next time.